and everything that you can expect from a season finale like this. It has a lot of nostalgia, it has a lot of happy moments. Along with that, it has a lot of surprising comebacks as well. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So the series finale, not even the season finale, the series finale is out, and it was really lot of nostalgic moments. It was filled with amazing scenes, and it was filled with a lot of surprising events. So in order to keep the review as spoiler free as possible, because it is after all the series finale, and a lot of people must not have seen the series because of the lot of restrictions. It is still not directly available on Netflix. So if you are planning to watch this show's finale, the only way to watch it is using a VPN. And so in order to keep the review overall spoiler free, I can say only this, that it had a lot of nostalgia, it had a lot of comebacks, it had a lot of surprising moments, and on top of that, it is based on one of the most popular theme, the Halloween heist. And don't worry, I'm not going to tell who wins the heist or what exactly has happened in the episode, but I can tell you this, that every Halloween heist episode we've seen in the past, this is going to be a next level episode, because it contains a lot of surprises, as they are, because in every Halloween heist episode we've seen before, you can really not expect what they are actually doing, and whatever they do at the beginning, obviously that is going to be set up for their rest of the plan. And it is going to be even on a bigger scale this time, because in the previous episode itself we've seen that it is going to be the last day of Holt is going to be retiring, and overall they have tried to make that same theme throughout the episode, and there's going to be a even bigger surprise at the end of the episode, or in the beginning of the episode, while they would be planning the Halloween heist, which is going to be one of the more bigger reveal of the finale. And but on top of that, there are a lot of surprising comebacks, there are a lot of nostalgic scenes. There have been so many scenes where you have literally you can have a run down the memory lane, and it will make you remember all those scenes and all those amazing things that they have done in the past 8 seasons, and what an amazing ride it has been. That is also the reason why the name of the finale is The Last Ride. And I can really not think about this, that it is going to be, it was the last episode of the entire show. So many good shows have ended in the past, and even Brooklyn Nine-Nine is going to be one of them now. And but I can definitely say that, unlike some shows who don't know how to end a good finale, or who don't know how to make the viewers happy, definitely Brooklyn Nine-Nine has done a very good job making the finale in a way that almost all the viewers would be having a good time, and making up to their expectations is one of the good part of the finale. And also another part which had a lot of importance when we talk about a finale or a series finale, when the entire show is going to end, is what those characters, like how they are going to get their closure. And they have done a pretty amazing job in that as well. They have given every character their further way, how they would be setting up on a different path. Every character has got that. Plus it is really difficult to talk about things which have happened in the episode, but I really want to make this video as spoiler free as possible, and you are definitely going to be happy as well as be sad about a lot of things. So yes, all in all, it was an amazing finale. Talking about the overall structure of the finale, about the overall show, it is definitely a 4 on 5, 1 star less, because they could have made it little bit more funnier, because they have had all the references, they have had it a lot of nostalgic moments, but the main things which are the iconic things, they have kind of slightly lacked on it, so that is why 4. Otherwise it would definitely have deserved a full 5-star rating. But on top of that, you will definitely get to see a lot of comebacks, a lot of surprises, changes, and which are definitely happening on the finale. So that is it for this spoiler free review. Do let me know what you think about the overall show, and what are your thoughts on why the show is ending so soon. It could have easily got a lot of more seasons in the forthcoming years. And thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.